Okay, so this is essentially is going to be the last thing you get to do with us in terms of like VP side. In the future, you'll just be the special guest. Last time as co-workers, but everyone here, what's the last thing you want to say to Alex in terms of whatever, maybe acknowledging him and whatnot?
Yeah, I have a thing to say. Two things, actually. First one, whenever you're 30 and writing your memories, remember us. We were friends, like close to the floor friends, but friends. And also I get why Alex is like speed running through life, but I'd like to remember him to not to forget to enjoy the ride, because whenever you are too focused on the goal, you may lose the picture right beside you. So I don't know. I think he's very capable of accomplishing whatever he wants. I just think he has to enjoy it, because if he doesn't, then what's the purpose?
Thank you. I'll try to remember this.
Max,
Bernie Max. I think we're all good. We're all just gonna say this. We're all gonna say this at some point. But like, we're really extremely proud of like how you've gone, how much you've grown within these like several years, and you've seen this company like literally before its conception, technically, before this was even a company to begin with. It was just you and Emma. Yeah, it was you two this whole time. Like you two like literally were the nexus of this. And it's like really interesting to have seen you grow. Like I've always known when I came on, I've always known that like you were a good editor, like you're a great editor, like according to Emeroy, and I've like seen it. But and then just the amount of growth it's just shot up, and now you're just like doing all these things. Like you've had some sort of professional growth, creative growth, and then your personal growth. It was like really nice seeing that, and be really like I really appreciate that you're like super open about it. You're just like you technically don't know us. You technically don't know us. You've never met any of us, like for real. Never like not like that, like in person. But you're just like, yeah. So this is my life. I'm like, whoa. But yeah, we're really proud. And like we know that you're more capable of a lot of great things. You've already seen it. We know you can do it. And if anything, there's always a spot for you on VP.
Yeah, it sounds terrible. Like, hey, we're a last resort now.
When you're desperate, I'm kidding.
Two things. Number one, don't forget about us when you're extremely Bitcoin rich. Yeah, don't forget we're friends. Don't forget us. All right, but on a serious note, I wanted to say I'm really so happy. Like I've met you, because it was like you're like so like a little brother that you see growing, because your brother or your sibling will not open up the way you do to us, and it feels like it feels good. Just giving advices, just listening to what's up and what's happening and everything. And years from now, things would go on fast, especially you're speed running everything. But I guess my last message is this: your relationship with VP would end now, but your relationship with us as friends, it stays. And yeah, that's something I wanted to take, with or without VP. Yeah, I guess it's my last message.
Yeah. And with that, Alex, you're officially fired. I'm just kidding.
Hey, one last thing. We have to make a toast.
Oh yeah. Actually, let me get my piece. And what do you call it? Alex, it's been one. I want to acknowledge you for all the work that you've put in. I also want to acknowledge you for the honesty that you were able to give, that you gave to me. I know it's tough to be honest with yourself, to let go of what was once passionate, huge passion of yours, to change something else into something else. I also appreciate you being a part of the ride for this long and contributing the way you did. And it's been honestly a really big honor to see you, like in a sense of with what Bernie said, grow up like an older brother. Like I know we don't necessarily know each other in the sense of IRL, and we only see each other like once a week. So we in a sense we see the best part of ourselves, but it even with that like it's great to be a part of that, because the weekly meetings we did, like we are in a sense giving each other our exchanging time. We are giving each other our time, and I appreciate you sharing that time with us. And we appreciate you sharing your talent with us in not just producing stuff for VP, but producing really amazing work for clients that obviously gave them results, and that makes them happy. But I'm glad that you're able to contribute, and I hope that you were able to leverage that talent that you have of yours to the way that you want. And wherever you go with your next path, in the path you're currently on, I hope the passion for it continues to grow, and the more results come from it, and you get to share, and you share those wins with us, even though we're not in the same quote unquote office or working space. But I hope we get to hear those wins from you as well. Yeah, that's it for me. And I'm honestly like glad that we got to see you become the person you are. Like one of the things that we like, definitely we all pushed that we wanted you to be, especially when you were debating about leaving your home in Kaliningrad, is like, Alex, go experience the world. Mm-hmm. You're a young man. You need to fucking experience it.
Yeah.
And I'm glad you are. And it led you down a path that's probably different from what you imagined.
Yeah.
And I'm glad that we all got to be a part of it. And Camilo is no longer calling himself the second editor.
Yeah, I know.
Yes. I mean,
So-
like, try.
So with that, I'm refilling. Okay. Toast to Alex.
Hold on. Where's my?
Okay.
Okay, I got it. I found it.
You got it? Okay. Are you just okay? You're gonna take a swig.
I can't.
Okay. It's okay. It's okay. A toast to Alex. To all the years you've contributed. We appreciate you. And to, I don't know, many more successful years. And we plus beating you in Among Us.